Hey everybody, this is Ethan Andes, the owner of Andes Roofing. I'm up here doing a roof inspection on this house, and I wanted to show you guys a reason why you should use really good sealant on all of your roofing applications. And the reason why is that this right here. So they had an interior remodel done and they needed to put either a furnace cap through for HVAC or some kind of a plumbing vent through. And this is what happens when you use interior grade acrylic caulk that's supposed to be elastomeric. This is what happens right here. So you get this white stuff right here and it's chalky, okay? And you come over here to this one and you can actually take it and just break it off. Because over time, the sun will oxidize this, and the different, I think it's titanium dioxide or whatever it is that gives it that color and that consistency and thickness, that will come out and it will chalk off. And it's not designed for exterior, pretty much. So we never use this kind of stuff at Andes Roofing, just because it's, even if it says interior/exterior grade, you need it to be just exterior and either a tri-polymer or some kind of elastomeric. That way it can stand up to the sun better, UV rays, and then ultimately last a lot longer and not allow your exposed fasteners up here to rust or leak or have, you know, serious issues down the road. If y'all have any questions, as far as roof installation goes, if you need a roof inspection done or if you're thinking about getting your roof replaced, we've been more than happy to come out and do a consultation and kind of show you all the different options you have available to you. So you all stay safe and be careful.